Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. And to get started, let's hold the power key right over here. From here, tap on the power off option. And once it's off, you then want to hold power key and volume, or power key and volume up. There we go. So both of them at the same time. Now keep holding the keys till you see the recovery mode. There we go. So once you see this, you can let go. And I'm gonna flip the device over so we can see it better. From here, you wanna select clear data right here by simply tapping on it. And then tap on wipe cache partition. As you can see, it will give you a progress of it, and it's fairly quick once it's basically finished. So from here, let's go back and tap on restart, and now the device will boot back into the Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.